How to redeem code for YouTube Premium. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to redeem a code for YouTube Premium. Whether you've got a gift card, a promo code, or a special offer, I'll walk you through the easy steps to activate your YouTube Premium membership. Let's get started. Let's start by redeeming the YouTube Premium code on your mobile device. The process is simple whether you're using iOS or Android. First, open the YouTube app on your mobile device. Tap on your profile icon to open the account menu. In the account menu, scroll down and tap on Get YouTube Premium. Now, if you have a promo code, you'll see an options to enter the code on the next screen. Tap Enter Code or Redeem Code and type in your code, then tap Apply. Now, let's go through the steps. You can simply tap on the Get Promo Code option, which you'll be finding over here. You need to simply enter your promo code. Once you're on the premium subscription page, you will see an option to enter your promo code. Paste or type the code into the provided box and click redeem or apply. Once you've entered the code, you should see the discount applied to your YouTube Premium membership. And that's it. That is how you simply redeem your YouTube Premium code and unlock all the benefits.